In this question, we are given that this equation of the line y minus 1 equals to 5x minus 1. Let me rewrite it here. Y minus 1 equals to 5x minus 1. It passes through the point 0 and 2r plus 3. Find the value of r. Alright, so how do we go about doing this? Alright, the first step is to express this equation, okay, in a straight line format, which is y equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to 5x minus 5 plus 1. So y is equals to 5x minus 4. So this is the straight line equation, okay, that looks like our standard equation y equals to mx plus c. Now we are given that it passes through this point 0 to r plus 3. So when it passes through this point, what does this tell us? Okay, so if you draw a straight line equation now, okay, or draw a straight line now, okay, what does this information tell us? So you must understand the context of it. Okay, now when I draw this line, okay, I draw this line here. Okay, when I say that when this line passes through this point, that means this is a xy coordinate pair, all right, and this is a solution for this line. So what do you mean by this is a solution for this line? It means that when I substitute x as 0, I will get this 2r plus 3 as my y value, because this is a xy pair on this line, and this line is represented by this equation here. Okay, so that is the context which you must understand very clearly. For a straight line equation or any equation, any graph equation that you have, if you were to draw it and you say that there's a particular point on this line, it means that this point is a solution for this equation. All right, so if I were to substitute x into 0, I'll get 2r plus 3. All right, so with that understanding, we can now go ahead to solve this question. So what does this tell us? That means when x equals to 0, it implies that y will be equals to 2r plus 3. So I substitute this information inside here. So y is equals to 5 into 0 minus 4, which is minus 4, correct? So if y is equals to minus 4 and y is 2r plus 3, it means that 2r plus 3 is equals to minus 4, 2r equals to minus 7, and r is equals to minus 7 over 2, which is minus 3.5. Alright, so that is how you approach this question. Alright, so the understanding must be clear that when I say that I have an equation of a line or a curve, and I say that this point lies on this line or curve, it tells us that this is a known solution to the equation. Okay, that means if I substitute the x value, I'll get the corresponding y value. Or if I substitute the y value, I will get the corresponding x value. Alright, so I hope the question is now clear how to solve this question here. Alright, thank you.